Hey guys, it's Winnie here from the Standish Woodstory, and I wanted to come on here this morning. Today is September 12th, and when I woke up this morning, I woke up to 10,000 subscribers. And to say that I'm thankful is an understatement. This has been an incredible journey. I started this channel back in April of 2023, and today I am standing at this absolutely humbling milestone, and I couldn't be happier. And it's because of every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. You have made my days absolutely wonderful. I get to do what I want, which is to be woodworking and to be creating digital plans for you guys to make and go out and do. And it is just so incredible, and I am so thankful. So I just wanted to come on here and say thank you. Thank you for supporting me on this journey. I have so many things planned for this next 15 months and much longer than that too. But it's all because of you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And can't wait to see where this journey leads me. But this is just the beginning. Take care, guys.